Where's he gonna go for his first hit? Let's see it. Starting one strong, but now he's got 90 seconds to do. Here he goes. He's walking that truck, getting there. Whoa, on the front end, on the side, swinging that thing around. Going right back at it. Still alive, still alive. He's good. Keep that thing going. This is going to be a strong run. And he's only second running. This stuff happens towards the end, but 30 seconds in or 30 seconds left? 30 seconds in. That means you got just under a minute left. Doing all the moves. Backflip over the bus. Keeping them alive. No roof touch. Halfway there. He just couldn't do it, folks. Here's the Bigfoot Open House. Brought to you by Losi Automotive. And final images. Whoa! Double backflip corkscrew. Going into the final. Here in Freestyle. 30 seconds. 30 seconds. Pretty sure out of the back wheel. Backflip. Wheelie. This dude has all the tricks. How much time we got left? 20 seconds left on the clock. He's got about everything. 10 seconds left. Wheelie to roof touch, but that's only one. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Make some noise for him. The best runs I've seen. Didn't put me on that one. That was awesome.